kanilong tuk Abraham Patian la Casadona. So we went to Noah's Ark, Kentucky Ark Encounter, Akan, Kantala, and it really made me think about God's goodness, God's faithfulness, but also how He tests our faith. Zumnak. In order to please God, we must have faith. We must have faith. I think about the testing of the faith of the saints that have gone before us, Abraham. How he was tested to give his only son that he had. And then Noah, when he built the ark, how long did he build the ark? Decades and between 75 to 100 years. And I imagine if he had given up, what would have happened to him and the 8 that God saved to build a new beginning once again. So Antonin, we might be going through right now a season in our life where we're really being tested in our faith. But know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish its work in you so that you may be perfect, lacking nothing. Asan sugat patian ni Rinoma, Abraham patian, Isakong patian, Zakong kilswa betu gan patian. Kanto hermivialte, so kan pegi. Hallelujah, oh, mivan shabi kan sidika. We will sing together this song in faith. The lyrics will be on screen. So I would like everyone to join me. Please stand and join me as we sing this song. Lalparong pinaka zavay dingin helahi isa hawango. At yang kami nubengin min